Hi guys, do you own a Samsung Galaxy S7 or any other Samsung Galaxy smartphone? And do you use the inbuilt clock and clock alarm to wake you up in the morning? And maybe recently it does not work. It doesn't sound when you set the alarm. So here is a fix for this. Here is what you should do. Select Settings and then select Apps and then scroll down to where it says Clock. Select Clock. Select where it says Battery. Make sure it says Allow Background Activity. Select that to On as I have. Come back off. Select Notifications and just copy what you see. You really want Allow Sound On. So on my settings for my alarm on clock, I have the following settings. My alarm sound is bright morning. Yeah, I like this one. So what it sounds like... So that's what that sounds like. Vibration, basic call. And I'll put read time allowed on. And you can save that. So now your alarm should sound. If it doesn't, please leave a comment. Anyway, guys, I hope you get woken up. Take care. Bye.